The CLAAS XERION 12.650 tractor production process is a combination of modern technology and precise engineering, which is installed at the main CLAAS factory in Harsewinkel, Germany. The following are the main stages of the production chain. 1. Frame and body design. Steel frame. XERION uses a strong welded frame to support heavy weight and strong traction. Cleaning and spraying. The frame undergoes advanced cleaning technology and anti-corrosion coating, E-coat, to ensure durability in harsh working conditions. 2. Engine control. Heart. Mercedes-Benz 6-cylinder engine. This engine provides high thrust at low speeds for fuel. Transmission. C-matic transmission. SZF automatic transmission system that can be quickly and discreetly set. 3. Wheel technology and undercarriage. Axles. The XERION has a unique feature. Both axles can be turned. All-wheel steering. Crawler tracks. For the 12.650 series, a belt system, Terra Trac, is installed, which reduces soil compaction and increases traction. 4. Control room layout. Modern control room. The driver's room is installed separately with a hydraulic pump system. It is equipped with a CBIS screen for controlling all machine functions. Electrical connections. Kilometers of cables are connected to sensors and a GPS system for precision farming. 5. Quality control, functional testing. Every assembled tractor undergoes a dyno test to check the engine power and braking system. Final inspection. Engineers check the hydraulic system and any leaks before they are allowed to leave the factory. The CLAAS XERION 12.650 is a top-of-the-line agricultural machine that has been dubbed the king of tractors for large-scale work. Here are the key points that set it apart from other tractors. 1. Pure power. Horsepower. It has up to 653 horsepower, the most powerful in the XERION family. Torque. It can generate up to 3,100 Nm of torque at low engine speeds, only 1,300 RPM. This means that it can easily pull heavy loads without having to rev the engine, which saves a lot of fuel. 2. Terra Trac Technology. Unlike conventional tractors, the 12.650 series uses a 4-wheel track system. Benefits: it helps the tractor stay stable, does not tip over easily, and helps reduce soil compaction, prevents soil erosion despite its heavy weight. 3. Full frame concept. The XERION is designed with a full steel frame. This design allows it to withstand the weight of the top and the pulling force behind it very well without affecting the engine or transmission. 4. Advanced cabin. Cab, it has the most spacious and quiet cabin. The cabin is equipped with a 4-point suspension system, which reduces driver fatigue. Automated driving, it is equipped with GPS and CMOS, an intelligent assistant, AI, that helps the driver set the engine for maximum efficiency. C-matic transmission, CVT. It uses a smooth, automatic transmission system that does not interfere with gear changes. It helps to balance the use of power and speed according to the actual soil conditions. Summary of benefits for farmers. Work efficiency. Work quickly on large areas in a short time. Economy. Use less fuel compared to the power it emits. Durability. Long service life even in harsh working conditions every day. The cost of a giant tractor like the CLAAS XERION 12.650 is a big investment. Since it is a high-end machine, the cost is divided into two main parts: fuel costs and general maintenance. Here are some estimates based on engine technology. 1. Fuel consumption. This tractor uses a Mercedes-Benz OM473 engine, 15.6 liters, with fuel-saving technology. But because of its high power, fuel consumption also increases. For heavy work, such as deep plowing or pulling large equipment, it can consume between 80 and 110 liters of fuel per hour. Light or transport, for transport or light work, it can consume between 30 and 50 liters per hour. Fuel-saving technology, because it uses high torque at low engine speeds, 1,300 RPM, it saves about 10 to 15% of fuel compared to older engines. AdBlue, in addition to diesel, it also requires AdBlue solution, about 5 to 7% of the diesel volume, to reduce exhaust emissions according to European standards. 2. Operating and maintenance costs. Engine oil change, generally it must be changed every 500 to 600 hours. Each change requires a large amount of engine oil, up to 40 to 50 liters, and high-cost filters. Terra Trac belt system. Rubber belts are more expensive to maintain than regular tires. If used carelessly on very hard asphalt roads, they will wear out quickly, and each replacement can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Technology parts. Because it uses many sensor and computer systems, repairs require experts from the company itself, which has high service costs. 3. Estimated cost per hour. If you include depreciation, fuel, maintenance, and driver salaries, the cost can fall between $200 and $350 per hour, depending on local fuel prices and type of work.